Hey everyone, this is Anthony from Affiliate Marketing with the blog. Hey, I'm so thankful that you have joined me on this little video. I have a lot of people that are asking me how do they design graphic logos and video animation and stuff like that. I have one little site that I recommend you guys to go check out. If you're a beginner and you just want something to get started with, there's a lot of little things you can do. One of these little tools I like to go to is Fiverr right here. What you do when you hit that link at the bottom of this video, you're gonna go to this page and hit join now, and then you're gonna sign in. As you can use your Facebook or your whatever thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sign in uh, to this right here, and it's telling me to allow this here. So we're gonna log in and hopefully see from there. Okay, as you can see that we're here inside the my account now. As you say, now if you wanted graphic designs or you wanted some kind of digital marketing, if you're looking for writers, this Fiverr has some great options for you. As you can see, you have a lot of writing things here. You have video animations that you guys can get people to. You can hire someone to make videos and video animation for you for your graphic designs, as far as logos and things like that for your website. You can get this stuff done with like under $5. $5. You always want a good thing if you get a good designer to do your designs and stuff. Like here, I go into logo, and say for instance, I want a logo. I just go look here under logos, and just say for instance, you get a good designer that will design your logos for you. You want to go ahead and tip them something. Some of these guys like these top things here. You see some your starting price is $10, some five. I guess it's some of the more expensive ones, 295, five up to $500. But the majority of the uh, these designers would do stuff for you for under $5, guys. So you just have to look, depending on what you want. It's costly, cheap. It's something to get you started just for beginners, and it's something to get you started uh, things moving on your website or whatever you like to get done. So I highly recommend that you go check out Fiverr. If you haven't joined Fiverr yet, click on the link at the bottom of this video and sign up for your free account and browse around. Look whatever you like around here. Browse around in some of these areas. Check out some of the things that you want done. This is a very, very good place for starters. Now, believe me or not, there's a lot of little rumors that a lot of people don't like it, but I personally use Fiverr. It's about making graphic designs for my logos or something. I just want something nice looking designs for my website. That's where I come to. I don't have to spend a whole lot of money. Uh, just to get a nice looking logo design. If I'm wanting some kind of video animation, I can go over here and click on video animation. So very good site. I would highly recommend you go check out Fiverr. If you hadn't signed up, click on the link at the bottom of this video. Hey, subscribe to this video. I love to hear your thoughts. Comment below. I love to hear your thoughts and your experiences with Fiverr. Hey, just share your thoughts with her, whether bad or good. Hey, I would. It just helps me. Uh, People get visualize about what Fiverr is and some other people's experience. And so whether it's good or bad, like this video, subscribe to this video, and comment below. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Go sign up for Fiverr, get your account, start getting your website up and running, and with some good stuff with this site here. Hey, thanks guys. This is Anthony signing off.